a speech-language pathology major. Teaching kids with technology in this day and age is good. The typing's good. It resembles the normal keyboard. The whole generalization thing. If they were to see a regular keyboard, they're going to know how to use it because it looks the same exact way. Shift button, like capitalizing and space and all that jazz. Yeah. Kids have fun, I think, touching and tapping, typing. The kinesthetic, no matter if you're typical developing or atypical developing. So I think it's fun. The colors are fun. I think the animations are fun. It's engaging. It took time, but it wasn't hard. So yeah, there's a lot of little things to kind of learn, and the different levels. And the levels are important. If a kiddo's having trouble at one level, you have other options. Since coming here, the women that I've seen are probably the strongest women that I've ever met, because they have to go through this daily. You know, these kids come here, I have the weekend, they're with these kids all the time. And I think that's amazing. Just keep pushing through, you know, and you do this because you love them. Remember that you're strong, you know, you can always do it. You know, you always have support and help here.
Like if you have a child like you with autism, how you would react, what you would do?
Call Dahlia.
Yeah, call Dahlia.
Number one.
911.
I think if that happened to me, I have to remind myself daily that I think like it could be a struggle, but it's worth it, and you just keep going. People are gonna make you feel like it's impossible, and it's not. It's been proven here that it's not, and you can do it. The goals of the center are to promote communication and self-esteem, and I think that's become my own personal goal for each and every day. Like I come to work, if I were to talk to another teacher, I would say make that your personal goal. You know, it's something different to have it be like a goal as like your workplace, but make it a personal goal because that's what pulls you through when you're losing your patience or you know you're having a hard time getting your message across. That's what's going to get you through is when it's a personal goal to you. These kids are adults, you know. The only difference is they think different than you. You know, they still have the same needs, wants, and desires as you do. You know, do your best to be patient and forgiving and loving of you know the things that you might not understand. Just brings me a lot of joy to see them reach their goals and knowing that I helped them do that.